I'll come to this point. Actually, it is no of use now, but you know I'll let you know. Click on Submit. So now the job is running. Let's wait for the job to be finished. Okay, simple. Let me grab the log. Okay. And go back to pending task again. And refresh it, click here. Okay, so the column is gone now from here. It was in pending task. If you go to complete task. Right. Click on this created. So to sort it in a ascending order. This is 29. Okay, again, click here. Okay, you can see the column is gone. You see this database training safe. This is the user and what is the status here? Completed. Okay. Now it is completed. If you come back right, go to your security system right. We created the security system right. The simple refresh its security system. Our security system name was Database Training Right Database. Okay, open this database training safe. Go to Endpoint now. Click the endpoint. Okay, you see a lot of tabs. Simple go to the account app. You see, one account is created under it, right? This user belongs to this. Now, if you go back to a database. Okay and simple. Face the record. So you see it now got a record, this user. Okay, so this was the user, user 13. Okay for this user to place request another way. You can search it, go to your admin. Now click here in the identity repository. Go to the user. Right, and this was the user for whom we reused the request account. Click hit on it. Okay, and open this user, click on this username. Okay, so these are the information it belongs to, only for this particular user, only right. What does this user have? Okay. So these are the user, all this detail information. If you go back to Account app, click on Account. So it had earlier some account. Now you see it has a database training safe account. Okay, and it is link created as per request this. That means this is a request-based application, with request for this application, and the status is manually provisioned. So we'll also see what is manual provision. One is, what is active, what is suspended for import service. Okay, that also I'll let you know. Okay. So now we are done with the provisioning. So we saw how the provisioning is happening, right? So any question here or, if you have any doubt, let me know. This is an answer thing. No questions. So this is the reason, right? Also I forgot the name. Actually, I couldn't hear. Okay. So we are done with the. We created the account in the target application. Our provisioning is done. Your import user import, that's a trusted accounts less than.